And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. I have here some wild salmon. Farm raised is fine. I have a video, you can see it in my description, where I compare both the wild with the farm raised. Very short video. This one happened to be wild caught. And I'm going to create, it's not about cooking the salmon. This is about creating the glaze. In the past, I used to just brush the glaze. This one, I just going to marinate it together, okay? So I'm going to create what is called a Hoisin glaze using Hoisin sauce. Very simple. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a container because I'm going to marinate this. And I'm going to use about, because this has sugar, I have to wash my sugar. Let me use 3 teaspoons or tablespoon. Couple tablespoon, maybe 3. Putting everything together. I could have put it separate if I wanted to. I'm going to use same amount for soy sauce. 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil, few drops. About 1/8 of a teaspoon. Squeeze of lemon. I'm going to use some balsamic vinegar, just a tiny bit, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. That would do. I'm going to start mixing things up a little bit. Let me use a brush for that. Just mix things up. See how it looks? I could have done it first and then put the salmon in. But because I have experience about cooking like this, so it's not a big deal for me. It's going to go and be marinated. You can do this overnight. You can do an hour before or even 30 minutes before, 45 minutes. You know. Now comes the other 2 ingredients, which consist of ginger. What I'm doing is mincing this baby. Quick mince. You can use ginger powder too. Make things a little bit easier. But I like the freshness. I think about maybe a teaspoon might do. You can put a little bit more. It's up to your taste. And then it comes the garlic. I like using fresh garlic. Mince it up. What can we do with a garlic, huh? Get those aromas there too. Then what you're going to do is you're going to mix everything together. Let me put it like this too, so it goes to the bottom. You can put it in the refrigerator, but if you do cover it, I'm going to cook this today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it at room temperature. Because you put it in the refrigerator, you still have to put it at room temperature so it cooks evenly. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put it at room temperature because I'm going to cook it today. And leave it like this for 30 minutes. So everything gets mixed, but at the same time, the salmon goes to room temperature. It's been about 40 minutes. What I'm going to do now, I have the oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's already ready. I don't need to add salt because the soy sauce is already at that. Let me put this on top of a cast iron or a container that can be in the oven like this too. And I'm going to put in the oven. And I'm going to let this baby cook for about 30 minutes or on to start flaking. About 35 minutes later, move the little thing around. See how beautiful it looks? And liquefy the thing by moving it. Let me show you something. See how flaky it is? That means that it's ready to